One of the things that I like to do when I am getting all of my content together to make a video is that I always record my audio separate to my video. I use the voice from the camera as just reference so that my main video will be able to sync up to my other video. But the idea here is that I use Pluralize in order to do that. So what I've got is I've got my two files right here. I've got the video, and the video sounds a little like this. So you can't really hear it at all. It's just reference, as I said. And then I have the audios right here. So all I do is I select the two files here and I drag them then into Pluralize. And what Pluralize will do is it will evaluate the audio and the video, and then it's going to allow me to sync up the audio and video. So when I click synchronize, it then syncs them up. I then click export timeline. I'm going to save this timeline to the project that I'm doing now. So if I come over to here and go down to Skillshare, and then the folder that I want is number 9, and then I choose that's the destination. I'm not going to name it 9. I'm going to name it Gathering Assets, and I'm going to click Save. I'm going to make sure that the sequence with the audio is replaced. So one of the great things that Pluralize does is that it will replace the bad audio with the good audio. So if I just tick that and then click Export. When that's done, I merely go over to Premiere. And this is one of the videos that I've just finished completing. And all I then do is I come over and I go to File and I go down to Import. I then make sure I'm in the right folder, choose the number 9 folder that I've saved it in, and I merely double click on the XML file, and when it's done, it imports that file in, gives me the one that was unsynced in terms of the best audio, and then gives me the best audio file right here. What I then do is come in, just drag this up so I can see it, come over to the first start of my video, and I hit Q, and that will delete everything to the left. I come over to see what it sounds like. Remember to place all the... And that's the audio. And then the next thing I do is I come to one of the videos that I have done, and I will select the video itself. I use a program called Cinema Grade, so I'll select the grade on that. I'll then come back to the project I want to use here, and then I'll select that and choose Paste, and that improves it like no tomorrow. This was just a quick tutorial to show you how I work with video and audio files separately. Hope this helps somebody.